Everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually change your My Eyes Only password in your Snapchat app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So to do so, the first thing that you will have to do is simply just go to your Snapchat app over there. Once the app is open, then you will simply tap on this photos icon over here, and then you will have your camera roll, stories, My Eyes Only option given beside the stories, right? Simply tap on that option. What you will do is simply you will see this little option given like the corner of your mobile interface. Simply tap on that option, and here you can see this option called change password, forgot password. Simply tap on this change password if you just want to change. Then you will enter your current password, and then you will create a new password over there, confirm the password, and you will again reconfirm your password over here. Tap on continue and tap on this finish option over here. You can see passcode successfully changed. So tap on this finish option. So yeah guys, this is how you can simply change your password from your My Eyes Only on Snapchat, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and I'll see you guys next time.